Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're talking brows, specifically the e.l.f. Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil in deep brown. If you're in search of a budget-friendly, high-performance brow pencil that promises to stay in place all day, then this might be the product you've been looking for. Let's dive in. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil promises a lot. This pencil is designed to shape, fill, and define your brows, offering high-pigment, waterproof performance. It's smudge-resistant, so you don't have to worry about your brows disappearing halfway through the day. But let's take a closer look at how well it delivers on these claims. This brow pencil comes with two ends, one with a precision tip for filling in sparse areas, and the other with a spoolie to blend and shape the brow hairs. The formula itself is smooth and creamy, which allows for a precise, effortless application. And with 6 shades available, you're likely to find a color that suits your natural brow color, or even one for a bolder look. When it comes to real-world testing, I found this pencil incredibly easy to use. The precision tip allows for quick, defined strokes, which was especially helpful for creating a sharp tail and filling in patchy spots. The formula feels creamy as it glides on, but doesn't feel too thick or cakey, which is often a concern with long-lasting pencils. The color payoff is definitely impressive. The deep brown is rich, yet still has a natural look that isn't too harsh. Now, we all know how frustrating it is when a waterproof product doesn't live up to its name. But the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil didn't disappoint. I wore it through a full day of errands and even a light workout, and the pencil stayed exactly where I put it. No smudging or fading. The waterproof formula truly held up, which is a huge win for anyone who's dealing with sweat or humidity. But no product is perfect. While the pencil's waterproof claim is solid, I did find that the formula can be a bit on the drier side, especially toward the end of the pencil's life. I had to apply a little more pressure to get the color payoff when it was getting short, which might be a minor inconvenience for some. But it's not a deal breaker, especially considering the price point. As far as the value for money goes, this brow pencil is a steal. It performs like some high-end products, but is available at a fraction of the cost. When compared to similar pencils from other brands, e.l.f.'s Instant Lift Brow Pencil delivers similar, if not better performance without the hefty price tag. If you're looking for a high-quality brow pencil, but don't want to break the bank, this one definitely earns its place in your beauty routine. When we talk about build quality, the pencil is sturdy and doesn't feel flimsy, which I appreciate for a product in this price range. The dual-ended design is both functional and convenient, and the spoolie is soft yet effective at blending. In terms of longevity, this pencil holds up well over time. While the formula doesn't dry out too quickly, you might need to replace it more often than a traditional brow pencil. But considering the price, that's really not an issue. Customer support with e.l.f. is usually straightforward and responsive should you ever need assistance, and their cruelty-free vegan approach always feels like an added bonus in the world of beauty. If you're looking for alternatives in a similar price range, you might want to check out brands like NYX or Maybelline, which also offer great brow pencils. However, e.l.f. stands out with its solid performance, sleek design, and of course, that cruelty-free vegan promise. To wrap things up, the e.l.f. Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil in deep brown is a solid performer, offering long-lasting color with a natural finish. It's great for those who want a dependable, affordable pencil for everyday use. If you're someone who needs something that stays in place all day and gives you that effortlessly defined brow look, this one's for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning into Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.